Hello, so in this video I'm going to be showing you as many ideas as I know for you to make money online. Now, if you haven't been here before, please click like to the video or subscribe to the channel. And also underneath this video I have a link to all the resources and all the ideas for how to make money online from home. So let's go straight for it. The first step, of course, is freelancing. Active income, where you do a job for someone on a computer or even on a phone from home, and you get paid by the hour or by the project. There's many different sites that you can use to find clients to do this, like People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr, of course. But the problem with those sites is that the amount of money you make won't be great at first. You need to develop a good profile on those sites. The way I did it was to find clients through my contacts online and off. Much better to do it that way because that way you get better clients and you can also charge more. There's a lot more you can say about freelancing, but we've got a lot to cover, so I have to carry on. Now, all the other ideas are passive income. So this is more about creating some sort of asset or some sort of product that you have that you will earn money from passively in your sleep. That's the idea. It's not immediate money, but if you put in a lot of work to it, then you can find the money coming in every month and every year. First idea for that is to create courses. Creating courses on a website like Udemy is a very good start. Udemy is the largest online learning platform there is. They have, I don't know how many users now, it's definitely more than 10 million. So it's a great marketplace out there, a lot of competition, and of course you won't be able to charge a lot per course. You'll only end up making $5 per sale or something like that. However, if you do a good course in a good niche, then it is a great way to make money. You do have to kickstart your course somehow on Udemy. They will do marketing for you, but you can't just go in there, make a course and expect to make money. The better way to do that, if you have any sort of audience whatsoever, is to sell courses yourself. Now, you can do this from your own website using Teachable or Thinkific. Then you can sell courses for $100 or $200, and you'll take most of the profit and you'll keep the email addresses of your customers. So this is a great way to make money. Unfortunately, it does depend on you having some sort of audience to sell this product to. Otherwise, you're going to have to buy advertising, and that really is quite tricky. It's not just Udemy and your site where you can sell courses. There are a vast array of sites, online learning platforms out there. There's Stack Social, Skillshare, there are absolutely loads. There's some that concentrates in the Indian market, and there are others that concentrate within a relevant niche of online learning. But if you put your courses on all of these places, you can find the money coming in from various platforms every month if your courses are in demand. Next up is selling ebooks on Amazon. Now, Amazon is the best marketplace for ebooks. All you have to do is basically get a free account at kdp.amazon.com, upload a Word document, would you believe it, and then you can sell that as a book on Amazon. Obviously, there's more to say about it than that, but you can basically write a Kindle book. It's 20,000 words, and you can charge $2.99 for that. You'll make $2 profit on every sale. And if you find the right audience and the right niche, you can make a lot of money selling Kindle books. Similarly, you can sell paperbacks on Amazon. Again, all you have to do is upload PDFs at kdp.amazon.com and they will sell the book for you. If anyone buys it, they will print it and deliver it. So it's a very hands-off, passive way of making money. Not only can you sell your own books that you write or books that you have written for you by ghostwriters, you can also sell low content books like diaries and logbooks and planners, that sort of thing. They don't take very long to make and they can sell in vast quantities at certain times of the year. The third way of selling your books on Amazon is with audiobooks. That's at acx.com. You can get someone to do the voiceover for you and Amazon will sell it on Audible and you make about $10 per sale. Lots of people are buying audiobooks these days. There are a lot of other ways to sell books, of course, but the only other way I have sold ebooks is on my own site and using a platform like Gumroad to sell the book. I found this particularly useful recently. With Gumroad, you can collect their addresses. I actually use Zapier to put the email address onto my email marketing platform. But you do technically get their email address at Gumroad, and then you can sell things for $0. And the benefit of this is you can say, click on this link, get this ebook, and you can get it for free, or you can give me a donation if you want. Either way, you get the email address of the customer. So that's a great way to make money online, selling ebooks on your own site. And the ebook can be a PDF or something of that sort. It's also a great way to get email addresses as well. Okay, so the next way of making money online is something that I haven't tried personally, but it is one of the most interesting, and that is to set up your own Shopify site. So what you need to do is find a niche, a market that you find particularly interesting, that you know you can find products for. Identify the products and you drop ship them by communicating with the product supplier and getting them to do the delivery when you make a sale on your Shopify site. One thing it depends on, of course, is traffic. You need to get the traffic to your Shopify site, and you will either do that with ads or SEO. Both advertising and SEO can be quite difficult at first. It's all about finding a niche audience that is interested in your product and making content and adverts that convert them. Next up is FBA, Amazon FBA, whereby you find the supplier, and it used to be in China, and then you get the product shipped over to Amazon in America, or it could be in Europe or wherever Amazon has its store, and then selling the product on Amazon. Again, this depends on the product. You need to choose a good product that's in demand, that has great keywords that you can put in the title that people will be searching for. It's highly competitive now. Supply lines have been cut recently. I don't know how this is going on at the moment. I haven't been doing it for a while, but I'm sure there are still opportunities there. And it's Amazon. It is huge. There is always room for one more small player in a tiny niche to make some money there. The next idea is making money with affiliate links. Now, what you do there is to find products in a niche that you know a lot about, that you think are good, that already exist, seeing if they have an affiliate program, getting in touch with that company. Do they have an affiliate program? If they do, then you just get your affiliate link after having set up an account, and then anyone who makes a sale through that link then gets a commission on the product. So it all depends on traffic again. You need to get traffic to your website or your page on a social media post where the affiliate link is, and then people will click on it and make the purchase. Again, the traffic usually comes from SEO and advertising, and YouTube as well, because I've made a lot of money from affiliate links in the past. For example, for web hosting, it can be very generous. You can get $80 per sale of a web host. I've been making money for affiliate links with email marketing platforms, WordPress plugins and WordPress themes, that sort of thing. So if you have an audience that are interested in what you're talking about, and you're talking about WordPress, you recommend a certain theme, you're liable to get sales from a link there, if it's an affiliate link. And on that subject, you can sell the product. You could sell the WordPress theme. You can sell the WordPress plugin. You can sell software. A good way to start with that is to provide free themes and free plugins. See what feedback you get from the customers. See, can you improve that free product and can you make it premium? More ideas are to do with print on demand, POD. First one I'm going to talk about doesn't exist at the moment. It's on pause, and that's Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a great program started by Amazon a few years ago, where you can upload designs, PNGs at Amazon, and if they sell, Amazon puts them on a t-shirt or some other product. There are hoodies and pop sockets and other products like that, and they would deliver it to the customer, and you would get a royalty on the sale. That was going fine up until a few weeks ago, when Amazon paused that due to COVID-19. as they are concentrating on more essential products. Sure, it will come back at some stage, but my next idea is also POD and also about t-shirts, and that's all the other print-on-demand platforms, Redbubble, Zazzle, there are loads more. Of course, that would be in the link down below. All the information will be in the link down below. And they do exactly the same thing. They just weren't as big as Amazon, but they're still operating now and people are still making money there. I'm still making sales there. And allied to that is my other idea. It's not POD really, but it does involve Etsy. Now you can do POD on Etsy. You can find another third-party company that will put the design on the t-shirt for you and then give it to Etsy, and then Etsy gives it to the customer. That's the way you do it, and I did it with a company called Printful, and I think I did it with another company called Printify. But you can also do printables, what are called printables on Etsy, which are PNGs or SVGs, which can be any sort of design at all, which the customer purchases to print out on their laser printer at home or whatever other printer they're using. So this is particularly popular at the moment where a lot of people are at home on lockdown and they don't know what to do with the kids. You can give them Sudoku puzzles, you can give them planners, you can give them gratitude journals, all in the form of forms. They can just be designed on any software you want. You can do it in Microsoft Word if you want, and then sold on Etsy and downloaded by the customer. And again, you'll get a commission on that. That's doing very well at the moment, and that's probably my best idea, and that's a nice idea on which to end this video. Loads more ideas if you click the link in the description beneath this video. My name's Rob Cubbon. Please don't forget to like or subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.